App Creator, Miscellaneous, Places. Okay, so if we go down to our Miscellaneous tab in our features, we can see places here. What this is going to do is allow you to set up separate places for whatever reason. Maybe you have a franchise and you have multiple stores and multiple locations, so you can put those there. Maybe you have a contact application, so maybe you have different points of contact and their addresses. What we're going to do is put this in and kind of integrate Google Maps to try and take us to these places that are important. For example, let's take the franchise example. So let's say we franchise Jimmy John's, which is a sandwich shop. Jimmy John's subs, okay? And we're gonna add a location to it. So we're gonna put here Jimmy John's 1. Okay, address is gonna be 123. Let's say it's North Main Street in whatever city is going to pop up. Rhode Island. Okay, it's going to give us the latitude and longitude. That's not really important to us. If we are that cool with numbers and we can get that detailed and you have the exact latitude and longitude, you're more than welcome to put that in here to get an exact location. Otherwise, just put in the address. It'll display for you. You can display the address and you can display the location button if you feel. You don't have to. What you can also do is make it a little more custom. So instead of it just being another location, you can add a text box if you want to and have that in there as well. I'm not going to do it in this tutorial, but maybe I want to add an image, a video, a button, an attachment for download, or even a slideshow. I'm going to add an image, make it look a little bit cleaner. We come here and maybe I'll do let's say this one here. Okay, Chevy Camaro. Once we do that, I want to put this up top so we can also reorder this. And then once we're done here, we're going to give it a title. We're going to say franchise locations. And subtitle, it's not required, but we can put Jimmy John's. Not Kimmy John's, Jimmy John's. Okay, and then we're going to save. Page successfully saved. Okay, so now you see we have our franchise locations here. Now if we want, we can manage by coming here to this tab and just deleting or coming in and going changing little things. If you want to come into it, we can click on it. We see our picture here. If we have multiple pictures, we'll see those pop up as well. And then we have the address and the locate button. So when you click on the locate button inside of the previewer here, it's going to give you this error message. It doesn't mean it's not working. It just means it only works in 2 instances. 1 is going to be after it's published, or 2 is going to be if you want to see it before it's published, you have to go through the promote icon, which is over here, and preview it with a QR scanner. How you do that? You come here to promote. You're going to download this QR code here. Once you get it, you're going to pull it up. And then you can scan it with the QR reader on your phone. Now, if you don't have a QR code reader on your phone, you can download it for free on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. All right, thank you, and I'll talk to you next tutorial.